You've seen them on your social feed. You've heard them being talked about by your friends who are into blockchain and cryptocurrency. NFTs are the hottest investment trends right now. In fact, in 2021 alone, more than $25 billion worth of NFT sales were generated, and 2022 is expected to smash through this figure by a considerable amount. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are digital tokens that can be used to represent ownership of unique, collectible items. Buying and flipping NFTs on Solana, which claims to be the highest performing blockchain today, sounds like a good move. And thanks to websites that are dedicated to being a Solana NFT stats tracker, monitoring movements of key stats have also become more convenient. Hey everyone, you're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest news about crypto, blockchain and NFTs. Make sure to watch the video until the end and hit that like button if you find it informative and unique. Also, beware of the scam comments in this comment section. Don't give anyone your personal info or even sign on to an anonymous site. We'll never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. In this video today, we'll talk about the different types of how to flip Solana NFTs. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Like any other object you own, you have to start first with your why. Why are you buying an NFT? Many people today buy NFTs because they want to own something that they can sell later for a large or at least a decent gain. If you're part of this populace, then you have to be really strategic with your buying and flipping. Stay updated with the trends and develop that eye for NFT projects that are more likely to be profitable. For SOL NFTs, it is best to monitor Solana NFT stats regularly. Solana combines proof of stake and proof of history mechanisms, enabling the decentralized blockchain to offer high transaction speeds and lower fees. This is the very opposite of other open source blockchains, where gas fees can be high and transaction speeds are low. It's no wonder why Solana is gaining more and more traction despite being relatively newer. It was founded in 2017. And with an SOL NFT tracker, monitoring NFT performance on this platform is also easy. To get started with SOL NFTs, you have to first set up a wallet dedicated to them first. Today, there are many Solana compatible wallets, but the most used desktop wallet is Phantom. No matter which wallet you're setting up, it's important to keep the seed phrase that you'll get in a safe place. The seed phrase is a series of words that will grant you access to SOL, the currency in which Solana trades. You can buy SOL on various exchanges. Choose NFT to flip. There are thousands of NFTs in the online space that are available to buy from both primary and secondary marketplaces. As such, the first step is to identify an NFT that you believe is undervalued and thus ideal for flipping. We recommend the Lucky Block Platinum Rollers Club NFT collection. Visit NFT Marketplace. Now that you've identified the best NFT to flip, you will need to visit the marketplace where the token is listed. For example, Lucky Block, which we found to be the best overall NFT to flip right now, is listed on the NFT Launchpad website. Connect Wallet. In order to pay for your NFT purchase, you need to connect your wallet to the respective marketplace. At NFT Launchpad, the platform supports WBNB tokens via MetaMask, which is the best wallet to buy and store NFTs. Buy NFT. Now you can confirm the purchase of your chosen NFT. In doing so, the WBNB tokens will be deducted from your MetaMask wallet. In turn, you will now own the respective NFT. Flip NFT. Now that you've bought an NFT, it's time to flip it for a profit. You can actually do this on the NFT Launchpad by setting your own listing price. Search for profitable SOL NFT projects. NFTs are like digital collector's items. They can be considered art for modern society, and there are many SOL NFT projects out there, but how do you choose promising ones? Apart from the quality of art, the key factors that you should consider are utility. Is there a particular perk that the project offers? The team behind the project only buy a project whose founding team is credible. Community buzz. See if it's talked about on socials and if the clamor about it is generally favorable. Association. Is there a high-profile buyer or a person linked to the project? Buy and flip in a reputable marketplace. Just like how you'll buy NFT projects from a trustworthy founding team, you'll also have to do your transactions in a reputable marketplace. The go-to marketplaces for SOL NFTs today are Solanart, Magic Eden and Digital Eyes, among others. Use a reliable monitoring tool. Having a trusted SOL NFT tracker is important if you want to be really serious about making profits with NFTs. Monitoring tools are there to provide you with a good eye view of your blockchain ecosystem of choice. When you're aware of SOL NFT movements, you will arrive at better decisions as to when and how much to sell. Only invest what you're willing to lose. Cryptocurrencies and NFTs can give you skyrocketing gains given you have great timing. But keep in mind that these are also volatile. You shouldn't discount the fact that you may lose instead of earn. So, similar to other investment vehicles, only invest what you can afford to lose. That wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our uploads. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.